First look and the smartphone seemed very impressive. This is HMD Fusion. Yes, it's from HMD. The phone boasts a sleek, retro-inspired aesthetic that stands out. Though the back panel is a bit plasticky, but the overall design is very impressive. The USP here is that HMD Fusion is repairable. Well, it means that the phone is designed with a modular approach, making it easier to replace components like the battery or display. Now, this is with the growing trend of sustainable electronics. And yes, users who prefer to avoid costly repairs will appreciate this thoughtful addition. Best part, you can do it on your own with just a kit that you can buy online specially meant for this phone. Chalo, ab aap phone mechanic bhi ban gaye. Not bad, I say.
So now the standout feature is its smart outfits. These are interchangeable covers that change the phone's appearance, like you can see, and they adds functionality too. सिर्फ देखने के नहीं है, काम भी करते हैं. Like this one that you can see, it's a flashy outfit. It's called flashy outfit and has built-in light that enhances photography. So as soon as you open the flashy outfit, put it on the phone, and you can see there is a light that you have there, and it's very handy to click pictures in low light conditions. Having said that, the actual performance of the ring light cannot meet the professional photography though with this one, but yes, somehow manages to give you the right picture with the kind of light that you want. And the other one that you can see here is gaming outfit, and this one aims to enhance the mobile gaming experience by adding physical buttons and ergonomic grips, which is very good for gamers. So सीधा phone आप लगाओ इसके gaming outfit में and you're ready to play the game.
6.56 inches HD Plus display aims to strike a balance between size and clarity. Screen offers decent color reproduction, vibrant hues, and sharp text. Browsing and streaming videos was a breeze, but one thing that could have been made it even better is the refresh rate, which is just 90 Hz right now. And at this price point, should have been at least 120 Hz. Also, it did struggle to give a clear display under sunlight, and that just spoils the experience outdoors. Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 is sufficient for handling day-to-day tasks like browsing, social media, and light multitasking, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of expandable memory. Compared to competitors in the same price range, the HMD Fusion falls short in terms of raw performance. It handles basic operations with ease but struggles to keep up the competition. हालांकि हमें पूरा दिन कोई भी कंप्लेंट नहीं आए इसकी परफॉर्मेंस से. In well-lit conditions, the camera produces passable photos suitable for casual use. However, colors at times appeared inconsistent, sometimes looking washed out. Camera delivered good enough portrait shots even in low-light scenarios. I was indeed impressed by the night street shots. On the front, there's 50-megapixel selfie shooter that captures decent details in good lighting. The portrait mode was very impressive. It didn't feel like it is a picture by a smartphone.
Okay, so you saw the pictures, we told you all about it. Also, one thing that I would want to add is that the camera performance is up to the mark, but the UI is not very impressive if we see the UI of the camera of this phone. Could have been better if you compare it with the competitors. You don't get much as you should be given or you want. Also, in terms of picture, we told you, but the other thing is that, yes, the portrait shots are decent. One thing that is noticeable and I wanted to talk about is the zoom pictures. Yes, when you take a picture that's very far away, and if you zoom it after the click, it does not pixelate at all. So this is a very fantastic thing that usually doesn't happen when you click such pictures from a smartphone and then you zoom it later and then they crack and they get pixelated, but this one gives clear picture, so that's quite amazing. So there's one picture that we're showing you. We actually click the picture of the Lotus Temple in Delhi, and see if we zoom it here, as you can see it right away, this doesn't pixelate and it gives each and every particle of the wall that is very clear. So that's interesting. Night shots were just about okay, not very impressive. So night photography could have been better. The portrait shots, like we told you, is decent. So overall, the camera is impressive, but there's a lot that needs to be still rectified in the camera department. Well, 5000 mAh battery provides enough capacity to last through a full day of moderate usage. 33 watts fast charging took approximately 111 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%.
which was a bit slow and could have been better. But no complaints here because the performance was indeed very good.
Okay, so it's an intriguing mix of features in budget smartphone segment. Its design is retro and unique and impressive for sure. You can see, henna impressive. The swappable outfits are standout elements. So overall, the HMD Fusion is a phone that prioritizes style over substance. It might appeal casual to users who value design and basic functionality, but yes, it's value for money at the price that it's at, and this is at rupees 17,999. Are you surprised hearing the price? सिर्फ 17,999 में ये phone मिल रहा है? वाह!